Today we're going zip line fishing. I've never even been on a zip line before. Stay tuned.
I've never caught a fish underneath a pool noodle, but we're gonna try it. Hey Kevin, there's a sign here. I don't know what it says.
What are you talking about?
This is like the weirdest spot I've ever fished. There's pool noodles everywhere. There's a freaking giant trampoline. That trampoline bite is just it's absolutely fire. I don't know why I'm talking like Adam Sandler right now. Yeah, I bet you there's one under that pool noodle. Hey Kevin, we gotta do a video where we catch a bass while we're ziplining. Yeah, we gotta get on a zipline bass. Let's build a raft out of pool noodles and go back to the juice pond. Like look at them, we can just collect all the discarded pool noodles. And we'll just carry them up there. They don't weigh anything. And we'll just paddle out there. All right, hooked my croc. What, bass? No way. How big? Oh, Kevin, you bastard. Dude, how big is that? Where'd he come from, Kevin? They do exist. I think it's time for me to put the crankbait on. There are bass in here, Kevin. I knew it. I knew there were swim bass. Oh, yeah. What the hell, Kevin? Oh, nice one. No way. No way. Oh, he spit it. He might have been a little bit bigger than that one. Man, he barely hit that. It was so soft. And just like that, we found out that the swim pond had fish. There he is. Did I lose him? Yeah, I got him. Did he get off? What the heck? Oh, it's a giant sunfish. Holy crap, dude. Bro, this is a monster. What the heck? The whole treble hook is in him. What the heck is happening right now? It's a big old sunfish right there. Heck yeah, that was crazy. There, buddy. Oh, right there. Holy crap. I'm getting wrecked over here now. That, I think, was a bass. Oh, there we go. There you on the crank. That's not a bad one. That's another like 2-pounder. Actually, this might be a little bigger than 2. This one right here is not bad. This one, oh man. Dude, there's some quality bass in here, bro. Like, that is not bad. That's starting to get on the heavy side of 2s. We're doing some stuff, Kevin. There's some stuff happening on the freaking crankbait. It's about the same size of that one at the last spawn. They're really softly hitting it, though. Kevin, I want to walk around this whole thing now. I need jeans and freaking boots for this. Me covered in ticks, probably. I'm in Crocs and freaking shorts like an idiot. What am I doing to myself right now? This is all freaking water. Oh, I'm gonna get bit by a snake. Why did I just do that? Oh my gosh. Is this whole hillside like this? This is miserable. I'm in a swamp right now. This is not panning out how I thought it was going to, Kevin. Sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit, but sometimes the biscuit's just not there. I feel disgusting. What was that? You got him?
Yeah.
How big?
I don't know. Whoa.
Kevin?
Fighting hard.
Okay, have you seen him? How big is it?
What the fuck?
Is it only a little guy?
It is. It's a fucking huge ass sunfish.
Yeah, that's what I just caught over here. They fight good. Dude, that one's massive. That's massive. Get a good picture on your phone with that. Oh, that's big. That's solid. That's big. That's freaking fighting, dude. I think this is gonna be a big one. I think it's the big one. It's taking drag. Oh yeah. What do we got here? What do we got here? How big is it? How big? Oh, dude. Oh, dude, this is a good one. This is a good one. I hooked him underneath, so he felt even bigger, though. Oh, he's fat. Man, I thought he was gonna be huge. That's definitely the biggest one so far. Holy crap, I hooked him like in his gill plate, so he felt massive, but that's a good one, though. That's like 2.5. I thought he was gonna be big. I hooked him under his gill plate. Bro, there's some fish in here. Yeah, guys, this is pretty crazy. We are fishing a freaking swim, like this is like a swim beach area. There's a zip line. Freaking zip line bass, guys. Look at that chunker. That is a freaking chunk. Let's go. Freaking zip line bass, guys. Freaking zip line bass. Look at this. This thing had shoulders, man. Thing was built like a 5-pounder. Where do you hold? Just kind of like right here.
You don't have to hold anything.
Really?
But you can hold it.
Oh boy. Have you scared?
A little bit. A little freaked out.
It's all right. I'm going. Dude, that was way faster than I thought it was gonna be. That was a lot of fun.